first step you're going to do is you're going to sew a seam in the back so that it makes a tube. And there's my serger stitch on the back. So now I'm going to go to my cover stitch machine, or you can also use a zigzag machine. I've sewn about a 1/2 inch hem on all the unfinished edges of the dress. And here is the top of the dress that goes around the neck. And I need to add an S-hook. I feel that S-hooks usually go on the right, but if you're making something for somebody who's left-handed, you might want to cater to them. You're going to take your S-hook and you're going to put that top strap, unfinished edge, and you're going to fold it over and you're going to sew it right here. So now I'm going to go to the straight stitch machine. They also have attachments, a different foot that you can put on your machine to sew it closer to the edge. So I'm going to hem this under like this, and then I'm also going to hem this side under so that I can put this hook on the inside of it. I've just sewn back and forth with a straight stitch to make those loops for the S-hook. You might also just want to sew the two ends together just in case you don't want the easy removal of an S-hook. Thank you for supporting me through the years. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, stay sexy. Bye.